Before installing the oil vacuum pump, replace the sealing rings. Insert a new bolt in the sprocket before fitting the oil vacuum pump. Carefully position the oil vacuum pump on the cylinder block. And tighten the bolts as specified in the service literature. Fit the sprocket. Use the counter holder to tighten the bolts to the correct torque and angle of rotation, as specified in the service literature. Detach the special tool for fixing the chain tensioner.